Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I am the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. Go ahead and do like I always do and let's get crafty. I thought to myself, what better way to rep your college than to make a wreath? Something real quick, simple, and easy for you guys, all right? So personalize this craft to whatever college you rep and yeah, just find out the colors and find out the mascot and you are on your way. So we're gonna do one for A&T, of course, because I'm gonna be true to who I am. But yeah, my kids they wanted to paint, but you don't have to paint the plate necessarily. You can just do it on a white plate. Now what I'm showing you guys here is how to quickly make some strips without having to cut them individually. So y'all saw I accordion folded this, right? And you see I'm just cutting off the seams. Once I've cut off the seams, look, all of these different strips in my hands. So now I'm going to cut them again, but I want to make sure, so you got to test it to make sure that you see how big you want your loops to be. So I kind of folded it in half and tested it, and I was like, all right, I want it to be this size, like that. So once you make your strips, all you're gonna do is show your child how to assemble them by putting the glue on one end, folding it till it touches the glue, and apply a little pressure. And that's all I told her. And here we are talking, making these paper loops anyway together. And our plate's dry, so now we can finish doing the rest of this. Now again, you do not need to paint the plate. Like I said, you can just start with a white plate, make the loops, and glue them on there. But we just thought this would bring more depth to our wreath, so we decided to do that. So I'm gonna let y'all just finish watching how we place the loops on there, but all you're gonna do is put some glue stick and apply the loops. So now comes the time that we are going to put on our mascot, the Aggie dog. So I'm just going to make the dog the same way I showed y'all for Valentine's Day. If you did not see that reel that I posted, it's on my Instagram. My Instagram is linked below, and it is actually is really on the screen right now. So go ahead and check me out. Follow me while you're looking over there. I mean, I could use followers too. But yeah, follow me because I post some pretty cool things on my Instagram that I don't post on YouTube. So you might want to check that out. So yeah, so going off of that, this is exactly how we made the dog, just different colors. And that's the Aggie dog. We're gonna go ahead and add an Aggie pride, and then we're going to stick that there with some glue stick. And then I decided to add a little bit of the dots, the freckles, what you call it, whiskers? Sorry, y'all. Whiskers. And then we my daughter decided she wanted to add these little gold jewels, and I was like, girl, why not? You know, blue and gold all day. So all you need to do when you're done is stick some masking tape on the back of this and put it on your door so your kids know what college you rep. And I mean, you can do this for any college, like I said. Oh, so I found out that the college represented in the book is actually Bennett College, and that's the all-girls college that is right next to A&T. So I'm showing you guys right now on the screen how to make one if you attend or you love that college. Also, fun fact, I almost went to FAMU, so I actually did another one repping FAMU. So here's FAMU's colors, there's their mascot. So guys, like I said, you can customize this to any college you want. So just get the colors, get the mascot, and go to town. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next craft. All right guys, so let me tell you about these adorable crafts that we are going to make from this awesome book. Today's book is called The Adventures of Bella Noelle. Bella Goes to College by Bella Noelle and Ronda Davis. Illustrated by Jessica McLaughlin. This is a very, very, very adorable book. I will say that first off, okay? And I just love how it introduces kids to HBCUs and tells them what they are and gives them a general feeling about, the feeling you get when you attend a HBCU. Now, I graduated from an HBCU. Shout out to the illustrious HBCU, North Carolina A&T. What? Aggie Pride. So yeah, as a mom, I loved reading this book to my children because I'm proud to say I am an HBCU grad. This book is for anyone who graduated from HBCU who wants to share their experiences with their children or people that just really want to share HBCUs with kids. So y'all stay tuned because I'm going to give you guys a rundown about this book after we create these very cool crafts, and I will tell you why you need to add this book to your child's library today, okay?